In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a high-converting landing page using HubSpot. We'll go through each step together to ensure your landing page is not only effective, but also tailored to the specific needs of your audience. So, let's dive in and start creating a page that truly converts. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. It's your centralized destination for managing the many components of inbound marketing, including contact management and landing pages. Once inside, you'll have access to all the tools you need for this project. Next, let's think about your target audience. Who are they? What are their needs and pain points? Understanding your audience is crucial in creating a landing page that resonates with them and addresses their specific concerns. Spend some time researching and developing a clear audience persona, as this will guide the overall design and messaging of your page. Now let's explore the importance of headlines. Use A/B testing to experiment with different headlines. A compelling headline can significantly impact the effectiveness of your page. By testing multiple versions, you can identify which one captures your audience's attention the best. Once you have your winner, refine it further. Make sure your headline grabs attention and communicates the unique value proposition your service or product offers. It should instantly tell your audience why they should stay on your page and engage with your offering. Moving on to forms, these are vital for capturing leads on your landing page. Keep your forms short and concise, ideally with just 3 to 5 fields. The goal is to collect essential information without overwhelming your visitors or causing them to abandon the page. Remember, every additional field can decrease the likelihood of form completion. Ensuring your landing page is mobile-friendly and loads quickly is another key factor in its success. Mobile internet usage is pervasive, and a slow, unresponsive page can frustrate users, leading them to leave before converting. Optimize images and scripts to improve load times, and make sure the design is responsive to different screen sizes. As for calls to action or CTAs, it's essential to limit the number on your page. Too many CTAs can confuse visitors and dilute your main objective. Stick to 1 or 2 prominent CTAs that guide users to the desired action, such as signing up for a newsletter or downloading a resource. Before you go live, take the time to preview your page. Check it thoroughly for any design issues, typos, or errors. Ensure that it functions well on both desktop and mobile devices. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to publish. Celebrate this step, as you're about to launch a landing page designed to convert visitors into leads effectively. And there you have it, a high-converting landing page built using HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll provide a seamless, engaging experience that speaks directly to your audience, ultimately increasing your conversion rates. Thank you for joining me, and happy landing page building.